friends. I am Dee, and yes, I'm here to tell you about the How To Ladies YouTube channel. Here are not 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, but 6 reasons why you should go over, check it out, and subscribe. Number 1, organization. We're going to just share our ideas about organization. 2, DIYs. Who doesn't love a good DIY? I know I do. Alright, 3, life hacks. Hey, I like to take something old and make it into something new. For example, this cool little belt that I'm wearing, guess what? It was a strap on my purse. 4, don't forget about it. We're going to talk about beauty. We're going to talk about makeup. Yep. 5, a business plan. We're going to talk about business. Yep. Don't forget, what? Fashion. I'm all about what? The nice shoes, the nice purse, the nice dress. Yep. Go check me out over there on my YouTube channel, The How To Lady. I'm waiting on you because you are who makes it special. So I want to look for y'all over there, okay? I'll see you there. Yep.